Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So in this series, we're creating some yummy recipes that are for better living, healthy eating for 2020. So we're creating recipes that are centered around the vitamin B6, and that's just for me, but no matter what, these are healthy recipes. First we did tuna, then we did chicken fajitas, and today we're doing a turkey chili recipe, which is very easy to make. And I wanted to explain to you, if you're wondering about the vitamin B6, it is wonderful for so many different reasons. It helps your central nervous system. It helps your brain functioning. It helps with pain if you're struggling with pain. Maybe you're anemic. Okay, maybe you're depressed. These are all things that vitamin B6 can help you with. If anything, get cooking, because I know for me, if I'm worried about something or I'm having anxiety about something, that's all I can think about. But once I start forcing myself to cook, my mind completely focuses only on that and all of the different ingredients that I have to put into my meals. And then all of a sudden I realize I'm no longer focusing on all the things that are weighing me down. All right, so with that being said, let's get started, and I hope this will be helpful for all of you, and I thank you so much for watching. Alright guys, dinner is served, so I'm gonna give it a taste test before I feed it to my husband, although he'll probably eat anything at this point, you know what I'm saying? Okay. Anyways, okay, it tastes like chili, you guys. It's actually really good. Now, there's no beef. I think that's a great substitute if you're not really into like eating cows. That sounds really morbid. I actually have a cow, if you see like right there. That's to remind me to not eat cows. But now I have to remind myself to not eat turkey or chicken. That's my next journey, okay? Well, I hope you guys enjoy this. Please let me know down below if you tried any of these recipes, especially this one. And what did you think? Did you like it? Did your family like it? I'd love to know, all right? Have a wonderful day, you guys. Thanks so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and tell your friends about Life After Neverland. Toots! Bye-bye, guys.